A single coin sits in a quiet, empty world. It looks small, almost useless, easy to ignore, easy to underestimate. Its presence feels insignificant, like it could disappear without changing anything. Then something invisible begins. Time starts moving forward, even if nothing else around it seems to change or react. Everything remains still, yet time continues to pass without permission or pause. One tick later, the coin quietly grows, so slightly that it almost feels like nothing happened at all, as if the change is too small to matter in the moment. Not by effort, not by work, not by anything visible or immediate, just by waiting, while time does its thing silently in the background, steadily and consistently. This is interest, the price of time, quietly working whether you notice it, understand it, or completely ignore it. It operates without attention, yet its effects accumulate over time. Time can make money grow for you, or slowly pull it away from you without warning, depending on how it is used or ignored. The direction depends on your relationship with time. If you give money to time, it begins to work for you and pays you back more, little by little, through gradual accumulation that compounds beyond what you initially see. If you take from time, rush it, or interrupt it, you end up paying the cost instead, often in ways that are not immediately visible but become clear later. At first, the change is small, so small it feels invisible, insignificant, and easy to dismiss as unimportant or not worth paying attention to. But over time, small changes stack and stack and stack until they build into something much larger, eventually becoming impossible to ignore or reverse easily. This is not linear. It curves upward, slowly at first, then faster, then almost surprisingly fast as time continues to compound its effect. Effort builds slowly and depends on you, requiring constant input and attention. Time builds exponentially and continues without you, quietly amplifying results in the background. So the real question is simple. Who is paying the price of time, and who is quietly earning from it over the long run? The one who waits, stays consistent, and lets time work earns more than they expect in the end, as small advantages grow into meaningful outcomes. The one who rushes, interrupts time, or ignores it ends up paying far more than they realize, as small costs accumulate into larger consequences over time.